What's going on, guys? It's your boy Brandon and Alex from RSK, bringing you another banger of a video because it's the standard up in here.
You might think, where are we going today? Well, we are going to one of the craziest home of 1,000 horsepower GTRs you've ever seen in your life. We are going to Dartone Racing.
Oh, insert Dartone Racing.
Meet up, yeah, right here.
Yeah.
We're going to meet up with David, which is one of our good mates, and he's going to take us for a ride in his 1,200 horsepower GTR, so we're going to get a review on that.
That's going to be the fastest car on the channel, man.
Yeah, and
it's going to be the fastest car on the channel.
So we'll take you now.
Yeah.
A few inches later.
Alex,
Brother,
I'm not ready.
We're in heaven.
I'm not ready. I'm not ready. Oh, this. Oh my god. I'm not ready.
What are you looking at me like?
He can't park.
Why is that car so slow?
You can't park because you're looking at GTRs. That's just what happens. I got.
It looks so official.
Well, we'll see you in there, guys. We're gonna go say hello and we're gonna get it.
Alright, pulled up at Dartone Racing. What are your first wow, that is absolutely crazy.
Can't change that.
In GTR heaven. He's going to be taking us for a spin in this, and we're going to be doing a full review on it. As you can see by the tyres, it looks pretty insane, yeah. And his beautiful work of art.
I'm not ready.
No, I'm definitely not at all. So apparently this is
I'm in love with this car.
The owner's car. This is absolutely mental. I love the little carbon lip on the back.
I'm thinking about this car.
Oh, the wheels, everything. Oh, he's popped the bonnet. Do you want to go have a toss?
So plot twist, we're selling the car, we're getting GTR.
Wow, that is Quanta spec. Shit. What's that, like a 5-inch intake? That's... I love the flint.
My intake is like a screamer to him.
Wow,
that
is crazy. That is insane.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts?
I thought we were going to record another reaction, but that's ridiculous.
Wow. That is a machine of art. All built by Dartone Racing out here.
It's RSK purple.
Yeah, RSK purple. Maybe we might have to get one. Huh? Wow.
I think the hatch can is bigger than my coolant reservoir.
G42 turbo. I'm not sure. We'll catch up with the owner in a minute and
it's actually got like Dartone clamps.
Get the full rundown on it. Yeah, they're the clamps that Thingo sent in now to me.
I think he needs to make me oil lines. He knows how to make oil lines, dude.
Yeah.
It's all like
wow,
powder
this thing
coated.
is insane. Holy crap.
I didn't bring another pair of undies.
Alright, so this is car, what turbo are you running?
So that's a G42 1200, so basically like a 73 82.
5-inch intake, and what's done to the engine? Because obviously that's not factory.
Yeah, so it's a 2.6 head with a 3-litre bottom end. It's got Nitto internals, I-beams, Nitto oil pump. In the head it's got cams, retainers, just some head porting, and yeah.
So how much did this make on the dyno?
So it's made 1200 horsepower, 900 kilowatt before.
Wow.
You gotta be kidding me.
But yeah, that was on a full send tune.
Yeah.
Then we've turned it down just to take things easy. So currently it makes 1,090 horsepower, so 1100 horsepower at the wheels. So.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's awesome. And
How
all the
much is that running?
So at the moment on this setting it runs 40 pounds, but when it made the 1200 it made 47 pounds.
And all work done by Dartone Racing?
Yeah, so all the work, engine, fab work, wiring is all done at Dartone in-house. He's a gun at what he does.
Yeah, I can tell.
And yeah, so he does basically everything. It's like a one-stop shop. You don't have to take it to fab somewhere else. And the only thing I didn't get him to do was obviously is painting the car.
Yeah.
But apart from that, he does everything else in the car.
Is it rear wheel or all-wheel drive?
No, it's all-wheel drive, but it does have a rear-wheel drive switch. It's got an ETS Pro controller in it, so I can turn the torque up to the front wheels up to like 60% front wheels if I wanted to.
So transmission, is that sequential? Or?
So the transmission's got a Samsonite 6-speed sequential in it.
Yep.
Basically, it's got flat shift and yeah, it's really good to drive on the street still, even though it is a Samsonite sequential.
Yeah.
Dog boxes aren't what you think they are. They're very streetable if you know what you're driving and how to treat them. Previously, I had a PPG 5-speed dog box in it, and that used to go really well in it. But I just found the limits with the 5-speed PPG, and I just went sequential because constantly had issues with the 5-speed.
Yep. And diff and axles, what do you got going on there?
So it's got a quay-free diff.
Yep.
And it's got a quay front diff in the front as well. Axles are just standard still, so the shafts and everything all standard. I haven't had issues with them yet, but I mean I don't constantly drag race the car on the strip, so that's probably why. I have broken front axles before at Cootamundra, the airport, on the runway, but yeah, that's about it. We just put new axles in it and go again.
Awesome.
Great. I'm getting a GTR.
Yeah, absolute animal. Yeah, well, hopefully we'll get a ride along and get like a proper inside review on it. But that's crazy. You got yourself an animal, man.
Yeah, thank you.
It's a weapon.
Let's get a quick look at the inside of this sequential. Oh my god. They can't see it because it's just black. Oh my god, that is clean.
I wish they had smell-o-vision right now. It smells like methanol.
That is awesome. This is probably the craziest and will be the craziest car I've found on the channel for a long time.
Yeah, if you've got a car that can beat this, hit us up.
Yeah, which I don't think that's possible. Awesome, look how big the calipers are. Brandon, this is the fastest car here, and the owner's car is not even as fast. Look at
Is
the
that
plates.
beep, please?
Yeah, is that please?
Like, that's filthy. My car's atrocious.
Wow. So this is the owner's car. Makes just under 1,000, makes 900 horsepower.
That's comfortable.
Yeah.
It's Hulk.
Wow, there is just insanity everywhere. These engine bays are something else. The owner of that one over there, that one just there, said his engine bay is filthy and he wants to redo it.
And he doesn't mean dirty filthy, he means too much stuff in the way.
Yeah, yeah. Like even this is very minimalistic. I think we came to the right place. Let's just look at this fully. Oh yeah, what do we give a royal rating on that thing over there? We're fucking shaking. We're shaking.
Like you got the stabilizer.
We're shaking.
I'm telling you this now.
We're shaking out of 10. The stabilizer didn't stabilize nothing. It would Red Bull. It would Red Bull. Give me a Red Bull dance. The detailer just pulled up for Dartone. House of Detailing. We'll chuck his links on the bottom of the screen.
Right now. Check him out.
You've not been able to tell. I like the matte sticker button. Yeah, this is his Evo. Run a 430 kilowatt. It only has stockies on it now because one of the tyres debeaded. But this is probably one of the cleanest Evos I've ever seen in my life.
Oh, he did clean on the outside, but no engine work. It just runs like, yeah, oh,
That's crazy.
Not as clean as it is, but it's what it
I got that external gauge.
External gauge, yeah. I love the spaghetti manifolds.
Yeah, dude. This just makes me want to build mine already.
I love the Plenum. Plenums just make cars these days. Just chilling down the back there. Pod cover, you need one of them.
Where's the yeah, hard.
Wow. This is just mental. This is the home of GTRs.
Still looking at the turbo. Qantas approved.
Wow, that is mental.
That is huge. This would have to be the quickest once it's built.
Yeah, once it's finished.
It would have to be. How much pounds do you reckon that runs? If he can run 40, that runs like 50.
That was what? 30 pound? That was low boost.
Oh, shit.
Low boost.
That's
not okay.
Just the cow, so maybe it should get back hard. Just come out and I like for like a couple of months. Just go like
Wow.
no.